Crazy Chef channel. We're going to do some spaghetti dishes this week, and the first one we're going to do is spaghetti alla arrabbiata, and that includes spinach, garlic, chilli and cherry tomatoes. And this is interesting. While we have the spaghetti boiling on the hob, we're now going to use the wok to prepare the fillings, and I'll go to the hob, but we're going to have fun. Hang on, gotta have a drink. Cheers. The sun is over the yard arm, so a bit of Pinot Grigio. Okie dokie, right, we're now going to go to the hob and do all the stuff. Spaghetti in, enough for one, get rid of that. Put the spaghetti. A bit more in. I always put too much, but there we are. Where are you? I'm going to fold it down. Let it get soft. Okay. Water's not hot enough. You could fan it and let it go down its own, but I just prefer to fold it in. But watch the hot water, watch your hands because it is hot. There we go. Alright, spaghetti's in. Let that cook away on its own. Fairly low, I don't want it boiling over. Okay, now right, I've got the thing on, the hob on. Here, the hob. Right, I stick some olive oil in. Sometimes I use olive oil, spaghetti I tend to use olive oil, but sometimes I use groundnut oil. Right, we are going to stick the chilli, the garlic in first, get rid of that. Crazy chef, that's what we do, we throw things away, throw things around, but we do it fairly safely. We certainly wouldn't throw glass around, we just throw other stuff around. Okay, so let's get the garlic in. Now I'm going to use some tin tomatoes because they've got juice in them, but I'm also going to do some cherry tomatoes while I've halved. Just check the taste of them. Yeah, good. Alright, put some chilli flakes in now. You can actually use a chopped chilli if you like, but I'm sticking some chilli flakes. Oh, chilli flakes in. A bit more. It's going to be hot. This is. Right. Let it settle 2 or 3 minutes. Check the spaghetti. That's not ready yet. That'll take a while. Oh, yeah. Right, okie dokie. Now I'm going to put turn it down again. I'm going to put the spinach in. This is about 100 grams of spinach, and I've actually chopped it up. You could put it ordinary leaves in, but I just cut the leaves in half. Right. We put the top on, and I'll let that slowly wilt. Right, I'm going to add the cherries. A bit. Turn the spaghetti off. That's okie dokie, yeah. Yeah, I'll taste it in a second. Get the spinach in. Okay, we've got garlic, chilli flakes, cherry tomatoes. I'm now going to put the some Okay, that peeled plum tomatoes, but I just want to put some in because it's to get the juice, because there is a juice. You could of course just have a tin of cherry tomatoes, but I couldn't find a tin of cherry tomatoes. Okay, that'll do. How's that for next time? Make sure these are cut in half. Okay, it's coming on. Excellent, right. Right, I'm just going to let this cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, soften the tomatoes. Okay guys, well the tomatoes, chilli and spinach are ready. I've strained the spaghetti, so I'm now going to just toss the spaghetti into the wok. Stir it around a bit, turn it all off, and I'll plate it up in a second. Just let me stir it up. Okay, and I'm now going to plate it up. I've added a little bit of oregano too. I put an extra bit of chilli in because I tasted it. Always taste your food. I'll put a little bit of black pepper on it. It's always a good idea to add a bit of black pepper. Okie dokie. Now get the spaghetti plate out. I'll take some stills as well, okay? So, let's see what I can do here. I try to dress it a little bit better. This is cooking for busy people. I don't always have a good dressed plate. It's really for fast, good food for busy people, not particularly decorative necessarily. So, so much rubbish here. Let's get rid of that. Put some juice on. Clean the plate up a bit.